Okay, let's start. How to write in a file in Java. I already explained you how to create a file in Java. Okay, so now we try to write in a file. Okay, let's start. Okay, it's my previous program, and I use a class name is FileWriter. Okay, FileWriter. And I create object file writer. Okay, new file writer, and you have to pass the as a argument of file object यानी कि fi this object. Okay, now file writer class contain a function, the name is write. So fw dot write and enter anything, to corner IT solution private limited. Okay, it's a simple function, it's a simple method to write in a file. Now I use another function, another method, fw dot flush. It's a method, it indicates all data which I want to write in a file is transferred to the file. Okay, and in last I close my file, fw dot close. Okay, now if you want to display any message, you can. System dot out dot same print or println write in a file. Okay, it's a simple program. So I run to check this answer, it's a good or not, write in a file. Okay, so now we have to check in a file, it's right or not. Where is my file? In D drive, name is the stu, yes. Yeah, you can check stu IT solution private limited. Yeah, what is this? Yeah, this is this. Oh. Okay, in next video I will explain how to read the data from the file. Okay, it's a simple program to write a file. So just check this code and try to make this program. Okay, thank you.